How to restore deleted highlights and featured collection on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I will be talking about restoring deleted highlights and featured collections on the Facebook app. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile and then tap on the three dots that is beside Edit Profile. Go ahead and tap on Archive, which you will find below the profile status. Tap on Story Archive and your deleted story highlights will be visible here. And you can restore them within 30 days. And if you cannot restore your highlights this way, you can exit the Facebook app, press and hold onto the Facebook application, then select App Info, tap on Force Stop in the bottom right corner of the screen, click on OK and then scroll down and go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache. Lastly, open your Play Store, search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whichever you're using, and if you see an update button which is highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.